priorities. We all hate priorities, right? Priorities are choices. And so I want to help you kind of understand today that priorities and choices come into play in your health. If you choose to make your health a priority, you're looking at improving the function of your body so that it runs well. Think of maintaining a car or a Ferrari, right? The more you maintain it, the better that car runs, the longer that car runs, the faster that car runs, the more efficiently that car runs. If you choose not to maintain that car, then it starts to degrade, break down, fall apart. It's not a question of if, it's when and how fast, right? And that's when we wind up in pain. And this is life altering. This changes relationships. It changes ability to work. It changes your ability to get things done. So there's a difference in maintaining your body versus operating out of a crisis pattern. I see people every day in crisis. They come in, they go, oh, how'd I get this way? It's only been hurting for 4 months. It's like, okay, you knew a long time ago things weren't working well, but you just thought you could live with it. It was a priority choice. And so now you're in a crisis. It is far less expensive on economically, emotionally, relationship-wise, to operate out of maintenance versus crisis. I can't urge you enough to periodically go in, get your labs done, get adjusted, do a little massage, exercise. Those things are maintenance factors that, yeah, they take effort, but in the long run, they keep you or decrease the probability that you're going to be in crisis. I hope this helps you be better, helps you feel better, and function better. Have a blessed day.